In this video, I'm going to show you how to get many meetings using Zoom in N8n in a quick and simple way. If you work with automations, scheduling, or reporting, this is a really useful action because it lets you pull multiple Zoom meetings directly into your workflow without doing everything manually. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is where you'll add the Zoom action, so make sure you're in the correct automation before you continue. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is the place where you can search through all of the available integrations and actions in N8n. From the Nodes panel, choose Zoom. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it, depending on how your workspace is set up. After selecting Zoom, look for the action called Get Many Meetings. This is the option you want if you need to retrieve a list of meetings instead of just one. Click it to add it to your workflow. Now it's time to configure what you want. Set the options based on the meetings you need to pull into N8n. You can adjust the settings so the workflow returns the meeting data you're looking for. Make sure everything is configured correctly before running the node. Once the setup is complete, your Zoom node is ready to use inside the workflow. And that's it, you've now added Get Many Meetings in Zoom using N8n. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step automation guides.